Listen closely. Before you watch another cybersecurity video, I want you to do something specific. Open your voice memo app and say this. Explain how a real company actually gets breached, step by step. If that felt hard, you are not behind. You are exactly where most candidates are right now. In 2026, people are chasing jobs that pay over $100,000 per year, and they are frustrated because most training teaches certs, not skills. Let's change that today. I'm going to show you what matters, what works, and most importantly, what labs to practice so you actually get hired. Cybersecurity in 2026 is not about fixing broken PCs. It's about defending the systems that drive payments, healthcare, energy, identity under AI-accelerated attack. AI magnifies both offense and defense. Small gaps become big failures. If you can't reproduce real failure paths in a lab, you won't pass interviews. This is why Security Guy's Experience Builder and the AI Job Ready Skills Lab exist. So you don't just learn what a breach is, you demonstrate you can think through one. Certifications like Security Plus or SecAI Plus get your attention on a resume. They show you know the language. But letting them stand alone won't get you hired, especially for six-figure roles. Here's the truth. Cert equals access to an interview. Proof in a lab equals offers. That's why SecGuy pairs exam simulators with real practice labs, not just theory exams. Here are the pathways that lead to well-paid jobs in cybersecurity in 2026. The sooner you align your learning with these outcomes, the faster you reach six figures. 1. Traditional Defender, SOC Analyst certs, Security Plus, GSEC, experience required, entry level, pay reality, often $65,000 plus and rapidly into $90,000 plus with verified skill evidence. Don't just read about SIEM dashboards, practice analyzing them. Use Security Guy's bash, hash, and encryption labs to interpret real signals. In interviews, defenders who explain why an alert matters, not just what triggered it, get hired first. 2. Offensive Specialist, Penetration Tester certs, CEH, OSCP, experience required, approximately 2 years of real technical work. Pay reality, often $95,000 plus and into low six figures with portfolio proof. Build and break systems and capture the flag, CTF servers. Do real exploit logic. Show employers your thinking, not memorized answers. 3. Infrastructure Architect, Cloud and Security Engineer certs, AWS CSS, Security X, CCSP. Experience required, approximately 3 to 5 years. Pay reality, frequently $120,000 plus and upwards of $140,000 with cloud proof. Practice identity and access patterns, Terraform deployments, and automated least privilege policies in labs. This isn't optional, it's expected. 4. Strategic Leader, Governance, Risk, Compliance certs, CISSP, CISM. Experience, approximately 5+ years. Pay reality, often $180,000 plus for leaders who can translate risk to business impact. Technical chops aren't optional, but the ability to map controls to enterprise risk is what gets you at the table. A 4-year degree used to be a must, not anymore. Companies like IBM, Google, Apple, and others have dropped blanket degree requirements for many tech roles. They realize traditional education hasn't kept pace with AI scale threats. Degrees still help, but right now, verified skill evidence does more. That's where SecGuy labs make the difference. You don't just know concepts, you can apply and prove them. 6 figures isn't about time, it's about responsibility and proof of capability. When you can show employers you reproduce real attack patterns, You defended systems under pressure. You explained impact and mitigation. Your compensation reflects that. Certifications open doors. Validated labs open offers. Hundreds of thousands join cybersecurity each year. Many don't reach year 2. Why? Because they prepared for exams, not for real work. At SecGuy, we combine mobile labs, experience builder, scenarios, hashing, encryption, bash, and Python practice labs, AI job-ready skills challenges, exam simulators, CFT, capture the flag labs, mock interview labs, all designed to build proof, not just theory. Certifications get attention. Real-world proof gets offers over $100,000. Visit SecGuy.org. Start free. Build labs. Build your portfolio. Then build your career. Advance your life, not just your resume. Stay safe. Stay secure.